Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Square Dashboard using Authenticator apps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Square Dashboard using Authenticator apps, start by launching your preferred Authenticator app on your device. If you haven't installed an Authenticator app yet, download one from your device's App Store. Open the Square Dashboard on your computer or mobile device. Log into your Square account with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section of the dashboard. Locate the two-factor authentication option. Click on the option to enable two-factor authentication. You will receive a prompt to set up your Authenticator app. Open your Authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. You may see a QR code on your Square dashboard. Use your Authenticator app to scan that QR code. If scanning is not an option, use the manual entry key provided below the QR code. Once the code is scanned or entered, your app will generate a verification code. Return to the Square dashboard and input the verification code from your Authenticator app. Click on the Confirm or Verify button to finalize the setup. You should now see a confirmation that two-factor authentication has been enabled. For future logins, your Authenticator app will generate a new code each time. Simply enter this code when prompted during the login process. Remember that the code changes every 30 seconds, so make sure to enter it promptly. Your account is now more secure with two-factor authentication enabled using your Authenticator app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.